Let us begin with the chapter adverbs. Now, adverbs are those words that tell you more about verbs, adjectives and adverbs. Okay, you know this. Arun paints beautifully. Beautifully is an adverb because it tells about the verb paints. The film is really inspiring. Really is an adverb because it tells about the adjective inspiring, right? Arun paints very beautifully. Very is an adverb because it tells us about the adverb beautifully. So you can see adverbs are those words that tell more about verb, adjective and adverbs. Now there are types of adverbs. Adverbs of place, degree, manner, frequency, time and interrogative adverbs. Okay. Where, adverb of place, where? It answers this question. The school is located there. Where? There. Adverbs of degree, to what degree, how much? Are you fully prepared for the exam? Right? Fully answers the question how much or to what degree, right? To what degree you are prepared. I am fully prepared, like that. Adverbs of manner. Manner means how a thing is done. It answers this question. How she cleaned the room effortlessly. How she cleaned effortlessly. Adverbs of frequency. It answers the question how frequently or how often. That means a thing is done how much repeatedly, right? She rarely meets me these days. Rarely means very, very few times she meets me. Okay. Adverbs of time answer the question when. I will see you later. Okay. When I will see you later. Interrogative adverbs answer the questions. They ask questions. Sorry. Why are you so late? Then adverbs of probability, they tell how certain or sure we are of something. Probability means how surety we have for an action to occur. It is 100% sure, it is 50% sure. So what is the probability in that way? Okay. She certainly needs to work harder this time. I will probably not come for the meeting. I am not sure whether I am coming for the meeting or not, like that. Adverbs of reason, they tell us about a reason for something. Okay. That means an action has been done. Was the reason for that? I have some work. I will therefore leave early. I am leaving early. Why? Because I have some work. Okay. So this is telling a reason. Then some adverbs are confusing. Shekhar works hard. Shekhar hardly works. First of all, how he works? Hard. Then, how frequently he works? Hardly. Very rare. While the first sentence shows that Shekhar is a hard worker, second says he barely works. Okay. I came late to the school. She has applied in a foreign university lately. Late is opposite of early. Lately means recently. Okay. So you have to learn and remember these. For example, the medicine tastes bitter, but it is very effective. You can't say it tastes bitterly. Okay. The girl cried bitterly when her doll was damaged. That way. She was clearly the better singer of the two. We could see the match from our window very clearly. Okay. Now, adverb clearly appears at different position in these sentences. Adverbs are fairly flexible. They may be placed in beginning, middle or even end of the sentence. So we are talking here about the position of adverbs in a sentence. However, there are exceptions. While hardly comes immediately after subject, adverb lately can come either after subject or at the end. Remember, hardly adverb comes after subject, while the adverb lately, they can come after subject or at the end. She hardly cares for anyone. We lately informed him of our decision. I came to know about your job lately. There is difference. It can come after subject, it can come at the end, but hardly comes directly after subject. Adverb of place are placed in the end. Outside, upstairs, in, out, like that. Time, it can be placed beginning or at the end. Adverb of degree defines a verb, it is placed at the end. When the adverb of degree defines a verb, it is placed at the end. She spoke enough. How much she spoke enough. I loved her much. How I loved much. When the degree When adverb of degree define an adjective or adverb, it is placed before that. When it is defining a verb, it is at the end. When it is defining an adjective or an adverb, it is placed before that adjective or adverb. Adverbs of frequency may be placed either in the beginning or in the middle or at the end. It can be placed at any point. Sometimes I go to meet her. I go to meet her sometimes. I sometimes go to meet her. Okay? Either way is correct. Adverbs of probability may be placed either in the beginning, in the middle or at the end. Perhaps he can help you. He can perhaps help you. He can help you perhaps. Okay? Adverb of reason, beginning, in the middle or at the end. He is therefore not affected. He is not affected. Therefore he is not affected. Okay? So these are the rules regarding position of adverb in a sentence. You have to reread it twice so as to understand it completely. He ran fast to catch the train. Mohini ran faster than Harsh. Vinith ran the fastest of them all and won the competition. You would have noted that like adjectives, adverbs also have different degrees of comparison. Okay? See, you played better than you did in the previous match. I played very well in the last match. We have to change into comparative. So we have changed the statement and this is it.